This is my Kamps KJ-66 turbine. It's a 12-pound thrust turbine. Runs on Jet A1 fuel mixed with 5% real jet turbine oil. Idle speed is 31,000 or so, and maximum speed is 120,000 RPM. Of course, I built the stand for it. It houses all the electronics and the computer control module for the engine. You're not actually in control of this engine. It's completely monitored by a control computer. Monitors all the vitals of the engine, and if for any emergency situations, it'll shut it down. It uses pulse width modulation control to run the fuel pump to vary the speed of the turbine. And it starts on propane, and once the computer senses a high enough exhaust gas temperature to verify that the turbine is started, it'll turn on the jet fuel and start spooling it up to the idle speed. And it'll hold at idle speed until I command it to do something else. There's not much else with the stand other than I've got the main computers underneath, along with the radio system, because it still needs an RC radio system to give the input to the computer for your throttle up and throttle down and emergency off. Exhaust gas temperature is 550 degrees Celsius. The bearings are lubricated with the jet fuel. It runs a little pipe into the ceramic bearings to keep the bearings cooled and lubricated. And with that, let's go start it up. Alright, we're going to start it up. I'm going to turn on the propane, hit the leaf blower to get the turbine spinning, hit it with the igniter, and it should fire up. You'll see some flames coming out the back. Shortly after, the computer will start running the jet fuel into it, and once it heats up good, the flames will disappear, and you'll hear the turbine kick in, and we'll bring it up to idle speed for a bit, and then I'll rev it up to full, and that'll probably conclude it. It'll probably be out of fuel by then. You can see the fireball inside. Cool. We're idling at 37,000 RPM. I'm going to bring it up to about 100,000.
How much fuel was that?
It was 10 ounces. Seconds. That's how you run a turbine.